I'm Yuna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a TikTok viral recipe. It's called Tteok Kkochi. Tteok means rice cake and then Kkochi means skewers. So we're basically going to skewer all these together and create beautiful Tteok Kkochi. Just wait for it. If you've ever had tteokbokki, it's kind of the same thing, but Tteok Kkochi is a little bit crispier on the out and still chewy on the inside. It's a common, super common street food, and I love making that, so I'm gonna get started. First thing we're gonna do, I grab a bunch of tteok rice cake here, and I'm gonna soften it a little bit. So I do that by just put some warm water on the plate. There are multiple different ways to go about it, but this is the easiest way. So while I let the rice cake soften up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. So I have gochujang, which is a Korean red pepper paste. I have a big container of it because I make a lot of Korean food. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. Flip this honey bear upside down. Honey, tablespoon as well. Anything liquid, I like to give it a gentle shake in case something is at the bottom. So I do that. All right, by the time I was doing that, honey came out beautifully. Oh yes, it did. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of the soy sauce. I love this. Gourmet Garden makes my life so easy. And then from here, just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. You're about to find out my secret. Ready? I love adding a little bit of umami flavor to my tteokbokki sauce. So in this case, it's the same sauce as tteokbokki, but we're using it for Tteok Kkochi. So it comes in a little box like this. You can get it at an Asian store. Oftentimes, you can find it at an Asian market. Every now and then, if you are lucky, you'll find it at your local grocery store. So I just wanted to point that out to you. This one, you don't need a lot. It is kind of intense. So I'm just gonna add a sprinkle. What does this smell like? Fish. So you're like, ew, why would I want fish in my sauce? No, the bonito fish creates this really savory, deep, profound umami flavors. All right, I have all the mix here. And I'm just gonna use my tablespoons that I have. Usually, tteokbokki, you add a lot of water to it, but Tteok Kkochi is a little bit different because we're lightly pan frying it. So we're gonna really ensure that crispy texture on the out. So I'm gonna let that sit for a bit, and I'm gonna check on my rice. It's still a little bit hard. Nothing's gonna go through this. So if that's the case and you are as impatient as me, add a little bit of heat to this so that they'll soften up right away. We don't want to boil it. Soft enough, so just grab it. I'm gonna do 4 at a time. I think that looks the most beautiful. So if you're really anal about how they look. This is my first time making Tteok Kkochi. I used to have this in Korea all the time. I'm sure if I was a street vendor, I would go out of business because I'm slow, as you can see. Your pan with some oil. I already have it right here, and put the power on at about medium high. And a little bit more. We're not deep frying it, we're only pan frying it. Get your sauce ready, right next to you. Ready? Ooh, sounds gorgeous. also, depending on your spice level, spice tolerance level, feel free to add as many or as much or as little as possible. I like mine to be on the, definitely on the spicier side, so I'm gonna do that. Oh yes. Once that's looking good, I get real excited. Same here. Once you flip that over, you're gonna drizzle that beautiful sauce. We're good. I'm just gonna flip that over. Oh, yeah. It's great that no one combination here. That always helps too. This is it. I hope that you make this because it's super simple and it took me, oh my gosh, less than 10 minutes. So easy kid snack, your snack, parent snack or grandparent snack. I think it looks so cute too. Like you can just like grab it and it's perfect for, sorry, like rice cake is stuck in my teeth. Not a bad thing. I'm still savoring the flavor. So it's a perfect for a catering party or any party that you throw. We'll just grab it and they're gonna love it. So I hope to see you at my next episode. Thank you for watching, and if you have not hit subscribe and the bell button, please do so. I am at Yuna Cooks, also on Instagram. I look forward to connecting with you.